What's up, y'all? It's been a minute, but we back up in it, cooking it up with Breezie. You feel me? Today I felt like, I wanted to do something light, something good, something tasty. So I thought, what better than chicken gyro or gyro, whatever you may call it. So, right now, we're gonna go ahead and start with the chicken. So right here we just have some boneless amish chicken breast, and I have a pre-made rub that we're gonna use. It has a tablespoon of paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, a pinch of cayenne, and if I forgot it, it's gonna be in the description box. So we're just gonna give this chicken a nice little rub. We're gonna sprinkle it on, then we're gonna rub it in. You rub it on one side. So you can get a nice rub, it's on both sides. Got it good. So I got my chicken breast seasoned up. The oil's pretty hot. Might as well put them in there. You lay it in to where it don't splash towards you. You lay it in to where it will splash that way. Okay? So I'm going to put the rest of them in there. Let those go, get brown and crispy on both sides, take them off, let it rest, slice them up. Now it's on to the next step. So right now, while the chicken's cooking, we're going to start on the sauce, the cucumber sauce. Now typically I use yogurt, but today I'm going to use sour cream and some other things. So first I want to get the garlic. I got 3 cloves of garlic, I'm going to throw them in the blender. I got some already chopped up cucumber. I'm just throw them in here, so I don't have to grate them. It saves me time. I'm moving fast because I gotta hurry up and make sure I tend to the chicken. Gonna squeeze the juice of lemon in there. And the juice of a lime. We're gonna do it up, baby. We're gonna do it up. Alright. We're gonna take our sour cream. Put the sour cream in the blender. So sour cream in there. Let me turn that chicken down. I would hate for it to do something I didn't want it to do. Yeah. Equal parts mayo. Won't he do it? So put some mayo in there too. Season it. Salt. Don't judge me. Some pepper. Hey, getting a little messy over here, ain't it? We're gonna give it a little posy pose. Okay, so I feel like the chicken's ready to be flipped to the other side. Nice little char on the outside. That's what I like. I like that. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let me give it a taste. Make sure we on the right track. And I'm gonna say this, it's pretty good. Give it a little. Sprinkle of Worcestershire. And then get another taste. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the final ingredient, which is some chopped chives. I love everything in the onion family, like I really do. So you're gonna always see me use an onion. Any kind of onion. Green onions, aka scallions, leeks, red onions, shallots. I love them. It don't make no difference. Oh, so while this chicken's continuing to cook, we're just gonna go do the last step to this whole daggone sandwich, and that's the pita. Put it nice and warm, so we're gonna try to put some grill marks on it on the grill pan. So we're gonna let those get some grill marks, pull them off, and I'll show you how the final step. I'm gonna go ahead and take the chicken off, let it rest, start to slice it up. Oh yeah. Now, what we about to do, baby? What we about to do? So we're gonna build our pita. Alright, got the lettuce, got the onions, tomatoes, you know what I'm saying? Got the chicken. So we got our little pita pockets. Hopefully they bear with me. There's our bottom already pre-cut. Got your pita. Open it up. Get some of that sauce. It's a little runny this time, but it still serves the same purpose. I'm gonna put it in there first, put some in there first. Get some of the chicken. Don't be stingy. Unless you're on a diet. Not, I won't say diet unless you're watching your figure. Alright, onions, tomato, I'm gonna do it a second time. I'm gonna take this second one, get some sauce up in there. I like to have like condiments on my stuff, like, and I like to have enough, so I like it like in the beginning and at the end, like for it to be at the top, at the bottom and topped with it. Same routine. Chicken, fill it with some chicken, onions, or whatever you prefer, tomatoes, but this all I got right now, onions, tomatoes, and lettuce, because that's what I eat on mine. Got meat too right here, and y'all know what to do right here. And guess what I'm about to do right here? Put some more sauce on it, because I told y'all I like sauce. Some more sauce on there. So here's the end product. We got 2 bolts of love. Chicken gyro, whatever you want to call it, but I'm your hero. So yeah, y'all just watch me cook up some chicken gyros, whatever you want to call it, and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Here you go. End result. Messy plate, one falling apart, but that's the end. I love y'all. Thank you for watching. Boom, bow, yow. Stay blessed. Boom, 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 boom.
I wanna fold clothes for you. I wanna make you feel good.